Sujebi, hand-torn noodle soup. This soup is rich in umami flavor, and the kombu, which I'm using for the stock, is high in natural glutamate. That's the reason why kombu is the main ingredient for Japanese ramen broth. So, I'll show you how to make sujebi today. Main ingredients: 2 cups of AP flour, 1 cup sliced onion, 1 cup sliced green zucchini, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 cup chopped scallion. White part I'm using it for stock, green part I'm using it for the garnish. 15 large dried anchovies. It is about 30 to 35 grams. 15 small sheets kombu, it's about 15 to 20 grams. 1 sliced red chili. This is just optional. I'm using it because I had it in my fridge. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of gochujang, which is Korean hot pepper paste. And you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of doenjang, which is Korean soybean paste. Okay, let's make the dough first. You're gonna need 2 cups of AP flour, half teaspoon kosher salt, 1 tablespoon veggie oil, and pour half cup of water first. And mix them. It looks a little bit dry, right? So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of water. 1, 2. Okay, I feel like a little bit dry over here, so I can put 1 more tablespoon of water. You can always adjust the amount of the water, but try not to put a lot, otherwise it's gonna get really wet. So my trick here is press it, fold it in half, and press it, fold it in half, press it. So you keep repeating the process. Okay, dough is done. I'm just gonna put this one in the plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And for the stock, this anchovy, you're gonna get rid of the head and the guts inside. The head. And here the black one is gut. This one has got bitter taste and very fishy, so you really gotta get rid of it. Easy. Heads and guts. That's it. After you get rid of the heads and guts, I'm gonna quickly toast the anchovies to enhance the flavor. So over low heat, just quickly toast it. Okay, it's well toasted. After toasting the anchovies, I'm gonna put anchovies and kombu inside a stainless tea filter. If you don't have this filter, you can just put everything in the pot and then strain it later. Put this one in the pot, and then you're gonna need 1.5 liter of water. White part of scallion, and bring it up to a boil. Once it boils up, let it cook for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, turn the heat down to the low heat. Take the anchovies and kombu out. Then I put 2 tablespoons of gochujang, one tablespoon of doenjang, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 cup sliced onion, 1 cup of red chili, and 1 cup of green zucchini. And turn the heat up to high heat again. And stir. Try to dissolve the doenjang and gochujang. Okay, once it boils up, you gotta taste it first. You're definitely gonna need the salt. Maybe 2 or 3 pinches of kosher salt, and then keep tasting it. And then I'm gonna finish it with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat down to the medium heat, and let's cook the noodle. Here I got the dough, nicely done. It's really good. So you gotta stretch it out as much as possible and tear it as thin as possible. And keep repeating the process. Stretch it out, tear, and drop. I think the thinner the better. The reason is if it is too thick, it takes a long time to cook it, and sometimes when you chew it, it's undercooked inside. So make it as flat as possible. last piece and stir it. And I'm gonna turn the heat up to high heat. Oh my god, it smells so good. When you see all the noodle floats up, that means the noodles are cooked. So let it cook for a few minutes and then that's it. You're good to go. Okay, that's it. Turn the heat off and presentation time. If you guys have Korean roasted seaweed, in Korean kim, you can put it in the plastic bag. You can put it in the plastic bag like this. Be careful, there is a preservative. And then just crush it. This is gonna be really nice garnish. I'm gonna put green part of scallion first. And then I put crushed kim on the top. That's it. Okay, here I have nicely done sujebi, and this one is the soft tofu. I show you how to make it at the end of this video, so don't skip it. So, tasting time. Scallion, kim, and sujebi together. This is so good. It is really tasty and healthy. You guys have to try this today. And I'm gonna taste the soft tofu. This one is cold dish, this one is hot dish. The combination is really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys again. Ciao! Okay, this is how you make soft tofu. I'm gonna gently slice the tofu. And a little bit lay it down. And you're gonna drizzle 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Quarter teaspoon of sesame oil. And sprinkle some sesame seed. and sprinkle green part of scallion. And a few pieces of red chili.